Hey, Dr. Pound here with Heal Better Fast, and today I want to show you something simple that you can make at home to decompress your back. That's right, I'm going to show you a video of an invention that I made with simple products that I bought for less than $50. You can make your own decompression unit at home. And I want to show you my latest invention, which I created to help someone decompress their back at home. So this came a little bit as inspiration from what I do for a living. I'm a chiropractor, so I help people with back and neck pain feel better fast. And one of the things I use to help people feel better fast, especially if they have some compression in their back, is a decompression machine. Now these machines can run as much as $100,000 or more. And then what about when you're traveling and you want to decompress your back? That's one of the times that I see most people will get their back compressed is while they're traveling. So I wanted to come up with a way that was a portable and affordable method to decompress the back. Now I got this idea of being able to sit while you decompress your back, and it kind of came to me as kind of having a hook over the back of a chair and a brace that would hold you. I just went and bought some things and created a prototype of a device to help people sit and decompress their back. So here's my solution to being able to find something that's portable and affordable and easy to use to decompress the back at home. Okay, so the way I made this was by simply taking a back brace that I got at Walmart. As you can see, it's a double back brace, so it is one of the more expensive ones there, but it's only like 20-25 bucks. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought some very thick industrial type Velcro, as you can see here. What I use is a sewing machine to be able to attach the Velcro to the brace so it would stay, and I sewed it over and over again to be able to get it to stay. Then I found a simple hook that we used actually at the office, and you can see it's a steel hook. It's pretty strong, but it just needs to have a loop about the same width as the Velcro. And so I took this loop to Hobby Lobby, made sure the Velcro would fit through it, and then the rest is pretty self-explanatory. So what you do is you put yourself in the brace, so you wrap it around your waist, and you make sure it's very snug. And then you make sure the hook is facing out away from you, and you find a chair with a really high back. Here at home I have these high back chairs around the dining room table, so they work perfect. But I also used it on a plane, in an office chair, in the office, and just kind of sit there and decompress. So anything that the hook will fit on and won't come off. And you make sure the hook catches the top. And the reason I use Velcro on this is so you can actually adjust the height of the actual decompression that happens, or the traction. And so I'm able to then make it longer or shorter, make this taller or shorter based off of the height of the chair that I'm putting it on. So you have the ability to kind of make it taller or shorter. So it is adjustable. Typically I'll use it on the shortest setting because I like to be able to get good pressure off of my back when I'm sitting. And the nice thing about this is you can sit and work at a desk while you're getting the therapy of the decompression in the back. Now this isn't true decompression that you get like at a chiropractor's office on the decompression table. There is a difference. Obviously I've experienced both, my patients have experienced both, and the decompression is way more comfortable and way more effective. But as an in-between for visits, this is extremely effective, and we have done studies via x-ray to show an increase in disc height when you actually are sitting there. We tested it with patients, and the patients absolutely loved it. So I just decided, hey, I'm just going to show people how to make this and be able to get use of what I created. As a result, any of you can go and make your own and be able to decompress your back. So this is my gift to you for sitting here and watching this video, is a way to decompress your back at home and be able to get some pressure off. Now again, this is not a treatment. It does not mean that you don't have to go and get treatment for your back. If you have a back problem, please seek out professional advice. Even with my patients, they were still under my care, so they were able to use the brace and be able to try it out. But don't substitute this for medical treatment for back pain. Now the people who I had try this brace out absolutely loved it. And here's a few of the things that people said that used this brace, this actual prototype brace.
What a feeling though. I feel I feel like I'm together. I feel honestly.
My lower back, feels like it's stretching. I didn't feel the pressure on my back when I tried it.
It was kind of like weightless, like relief. I like it. It feels like I'm hanging. It feels like, it feels good. Oh, wow. I feel a lot less pressure on my tailbone.
That's cool. Great idea. It actually works. That's kick ass. Dude, that's killer.
I feel that my posture is better automatically by sitting in it, and that I don't feel the weight on my spine. I went on a car ride. I think it would be useful on a car ride. I think it would be useful to and from work. I have a sitting job, so the commute might provide relief coming home on something like this for my spine.
I don't feel pressure in the back, but I do feel like it's keeping me back. Which is good because I think I tend to lean forward.
I feel just being supported, not that slumping, and not slumping forward and sitting up straighter. It just feels like it would take the fatigue out of sitting long hours when I am watching TV or especially driving. Yeah, it was good. I felt very elongated and light, and then when I took it off, it was just like,
Yeah.
I could feel the pulling before, and then now it's kind of almost
yeah. Can I borrow it for a week?
So as you can see, people were pretty excited about using this, and I was pretty excited about creating it as a product. It's portable, but it's also convenient for getting pressure off the back when you have to sit for long periods of time. It's not a treatment, it's just simply something to help ease a little bit of that tension. But even for someone who had back surgery, they find that this simple device can actually help them get some pressure off their back and get the relief that they're looking for. Now hopefully you've been able to see the video, see what it does. Now I challenge you to go out and make one yourself, and then comment below and tell me what your experience is, or ask any questions you'd like. Or in addition, if you do want to see this product come into fruition, hey, comment below. Maybe if there's enough interest, I will go back to the drawing board and we'll get this product up and running. But I didn't want it just to sit in a box somewhere and not do someone good. And so I do bring it out and show patients in the clinic, this is what you can make if you want to decompress your back at home. But I haven't yet met anyone else who's made one. So this is just an idea that I came up with to help people. I know it can help a lot of people. Hopefully you can use this video and see if it'll help you as well. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with someone who you think could use this, and don't forget to subscribe.